I got this monster truck that's supposed to, I don't know, come out of the box itself. It says to start here. So let's begin with tearing this off. I'm doing this with one hand. Uh-oh. Oops. Well, I hope that's not important. It looks like there's another box under there. I'll continue tearing this off. There we go. I think I'm supposed to pull this out. Started. Now what am I supposed to do? Yell here. No, that's not the next step. I just realized this is a key. Am I supposed to turn it? Okay, I just yelled at it and now it's starting to freak out. Oh my gosh, is it... What's going on? Is it done? What's going on? Am I supposed to knock now? Hello? Anyone home? Get out of there! Okay. He looks angry now. I didn't do it. I did not. Someone else did that. Okay, I think it's stuck. Am I supposed to do something? What's gonna happen? It's opening! Oops. Okay. Why am I scared of you? Get off, go over here! What's in this box? What is going on? It's like trying to attack me, you guys. Why am I scared of this thing? Can you calm down?